It seemed a pursuit that would take the rest of my life and probably many more lifetimes. I have formal training in furniture making and cabinet making, but also in carpentry and house building. It's a little bit unusual, but within the Japanese tradition, works well. Wood, being a natural material, has endless variations. Every inch of length of the board will behave differently. The material requires such an attention. So you have to remain very present. Oftentimes people looking at me work from a distance think it's some kind of meditation. If it's just a constant flow, just like with dancing, it's very efficient and very enjoyable. So the essence of wood is my work.